Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TurboTax installation failed problem quickly. Yeah, if the app isn't installing properly on your computer, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to get your taxes done. But most of the time, it's actually an easy fix once you follow a few simple steps. So first, make sure your system meets TurboTax's minimum requirements. Yeah, if your computer doesn't have enough storage or an outdated operating system, the installation can fail. Double check that you have enough free space and the right OS version. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software blocks the installation, thinking it's suspicious, which can prevent TurboTax from installing. After that, restart your computer and try running the installer as an administrator. Yeah, right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator, because this can solve permission-related issues that often cause failures. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, especially if you're downloading the installer. A slow or interrupted connection can corrupt the installation files. And if it still doesn't work, delete any previous TurboTax files or incomplete installations. Sometimes leftover files can block a fresh install. So yeah, those are the most effective ways to fix TurboTax installation issues. In most cases, following these steps should let you install the software successfully without any extra hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.